Discover 15 essential tools designed to make work faster, easier, and more cost-effective. Whether you're tackling home repairs, woodworking projects, DIY builds, or everyday tasks, these smart picks help you work more efficiently while reducing waste and saving money. Each tool is selected for durability, versatility, and real-world performance, so you get maximum value with minimal effort. Upgrade your toolkit and start completing projects with confidence and less hassle. Wagner FLEXiO 590 Paint Sprayer. The Wagner FLEXiO 590 Paint Sprayer is a versatile handheld HVLP system designed to handle everything from walls and ceilings to furniture and fences. It includes two nozzles, the eye spray for large surfaces and the detail finish nozzle for smooth, refined results on cabinets and trim. Powered by the X-Boost turbine, it can spray most unthinned paints with full, even coverage and reduced overspray. Adjustable controls for airflow, flow rate, and spray pattern allow precise customization for any project. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, it offers fast application, easy cleanup, and comes neatly stored in a durable carry case. iToolco B2 Rapid Fire Bender. The iToolco B2 Rapid Fire Bender is a high-performance conduit bending solution designed for professional electricians who demand speed, accuracy, and efficiency on the job site. Its split-slip technology allows one bending shoe to accommodate 1/2 inch to 2 inch EMT, IMC, and rigid conduit without shoe changes, drastically reducing setup time. Powered by either corded electricity or Milwaukee M18 batteries, it delivers rapid hydraulic bending up to 4 times faster than traditional methods. The ergonomic frame, hydraulic load bar, and intuitive pendant controls reduce physical strain and improve safety. Built for durability, it offers high-capacity bending and comes backed by a 6-year warranty. Portacable 20 Volt Max Hammer Drill. The Portacable 20 Volt Max Hammer Drill PCC 620B is a versatile cordless tool built for both heavy-duty drilling and everyday tasks. Its powerful motor and 2-speed gearbox allow you to switch between high torque for tougher jobs and high speed for faster drilling. The hammer function delivers up to 27,200 beats per minute, making it effective for concrete, brick, and masonry. A 1/2 inch metal ratcheting. Chuck ensures secure bit grip, while the 23 position clutch provides controlled precision. Compact and lightweight, it reduces fatigue during extended use. Additional features include an LED work light, belt hook, magnetic bit storage, and battery fuel gauge. Note: sold as a bare tool. Malcotools TurboShear. The Malco TurboShear is a versatile drill-powered cutting attachment designed to transform your standard corded or cordless drill into a fast, efficient power shear. Built for sheet materials, it significantly reduces cutting effort and hand fatigue compared to manual snips. Many models include a 360-degree rotating head for better control in tight spaces and around material contours. The replaceable blade design supports long-term use, while the lightweight aluminum housing keeps the tool easy to handle. With specialized versions for metal, vinyl siding, corrugated panels, and fiber cement, the TurboShear line provides precise, clean cuts across a wide range of trades and applications. DCK Hammer Drill. The DCK Hammer Drill is built for versatility and efficiency, making it suitable for drilling into wood, metal, masonry, and concrete. Many models in the lineup, especially the 20V Max cordless brushless versions, feature a brushless motor for higher power output, longer runtime, and reduced wear. A 3-in-1 mode selector allows you to switch between drilling, hammer drilling, and driving tasks easily. With variable speed control, multiple clutch settings, and a durable 1/2-inch all-metal keyless chuck, it delivers strong gripping power and precise performance. Ergonomic grips, LED lighting, and portable battery options make it convenient for both job site and home use. Beta 1 838 CLA-MP Compact LED Lamp. The Beta 1 838 CLA-MP is a compact rechargeable LED work lamp designed for hands-free lighting in workshops, garages, and job sites. It features 4 adjustable brightness levels, delivering up to 1,600 lumens for powerful illumination or extended runtime in eco mode. The lamp rotates 360 degrees, allowing precise light direction, while its built-in clamp and strong magnetic base provide versatile mounting on benches, ladders, pipes, or metal surfaces. Powered by a 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery, it offers up to 24 hours of use and recharges via USB-C. With its IP65 dust and water protection and IK07 impact resistance, it's built to handle tough environments. Yeti Tool SmartBench PrecisionPro X. The Yeti Tool SmartBench PrecisionPro X is a powerhouse portable CNC router engineered for precision, efficiency, and versatility. With a massive cutting area of 2,500mm by 1,250mm and multi-material compatibility, it handles full-size sheets effortlessly. AI milling optimizes speed and feed for flawless cuts, while job recovery prevents lost work. The dual Z-axis and 1000-watt spindle deliver high accuracy, and features like the touchscreen console, Z-probe, and Shape Cutter app make operation intuitive. Its portable design, laser datum, and Bigfoot dust collection combine professional performance with on-site convenience and safety. Tomahawk Electric Power Buggy. The Tomahawk Electric Power Buggy TBU-GGY300E is a compact battery-powered mini dumper built for construction, landscaping, and material hauling. Its 1000-watt brushless motor and 48-volt 20-amp-hour lithium-ion battery deliver up to 8 hours of continuous operation, moving up to 660 pounds per load with ease. Featuring 4-wheel drive, a hydraulic dumping hopper with 92-degree tilt and variable speeds. It handles diverse terrains and tight spaces efficiently. The digital dashboard, integrated 150 lumen headlights, and durable steel construction ensure safety, convenience, and reliability. Zero emissions make it perfect for both indoor and outdoor job sites. WTT Tools Air-cooled laser welding machine. The WTT Tools air-cooled laser welding machine, like the 1200-watt ALW 1200-watt model, is a versatile handheld 2-in-1 tool that combines laser welding and weld seam cleaning. Its air-cooled design eliminates bulky water tanks, making it lightweight, portable, and ideal for on-site work. With quick mode switching, smooth weld finishes, and compatibility with metals like stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, it boosts efficiency while reducing fatigue. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, preset parameters, safety mechanisms, and optional auto wire feeding, this machine offers precision, convenience, and high-speed performance for both professionals and hobbyists alike. SEESII Tile Vibration Tool. The SEESII Tile Vibration Tool is a versatile, handheld, battery-powered device designed to make tile installation faster, easier, and more precise. Combining a high-frequency vibration system with an electric suction cup, it ensures tiles bond securely to mortar while eliminating hollow spots. Adjustable vibration settings accommodate different tile sizes and types, from ceramic to large format marble. With an ergonomic design, built-in level, and cordless operation, it reduces fatigue, boosts efficiency, and guarantees professional results. Each kit includes the tool, batteries, charger, manual, and carrying case for convenient use and storage. Paslode Framing Nailer. The Paslode Framing Nailer is a versatile tool designed for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. Available in cordless and pneumatic versions, it offers a combination of power, precision, and convenience. Cordless models, powered by a lithium-ion battery and fuel cell, provide portability, weather-resistant operation, and long-lasting performance, while pneumatic models deliver high-volume reliability and durability for demanding tasks. With features like adjustable drive depth, multiple firing modes, ergonomic design, quick loading magazines, and tool-free adjustments, Paslode framing nailers make driving nails faster, easier, and more accurate, saving time and reducing fatigue on every job. Vevor 2.5, a oscillating tool. The Vevor 2.5 Amp Oscillating Tool is a versatile corded multi-tool, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and home projects. With a powerful 2.5 amp motor and a variable speed dial, ranging from 11,000 to 22,000 OPM, it handles cutting, sanding, grinding, scraping, and polishing with ease. Its 3.1 degree oscillation angle reaches tight corners, while a quick change accessory system and universal interface makes switching tasks effortless. Lightweight, ergonomic, and equipped with a built-in LED light and auxiliary handle, it ensures precision, comfort, and efficiency in every project. Comes with essential blades, sanding pads, and a sturdy carrying case. Beta Ultracompact Drill. The Beta 1972/12. Ultracompact Drill is a powerful 12-volt cordless tool designed for efficiency in tight and hard-to-reach spaces. Measuring just 176mm and weighing only 1.1 kilograms, it offers excellent balance and easy handling. With a 2-speed gearbox delivering up to 34 Nm of torque, an 18-position adjustable clutch, and a 10mm keyless chuck, it handles drilling and screw driving tasks with precision. Equipped with a lithium-ion battery, LED work light, ergonomic grip, and safety features like a transport lock, this drill combines performance, convenience, and safety for professional and DIY users alike. Porter cable, cutoff tool, and grinder. The Porter cable cutoff tool and grinder lineup offers both cordless and corded options designed for efficiency, power, and durability. The 20V Max cordless cutoff grinder PCC761B delivers up to 8,500 RPM with a contoured handle and adjustable side grip for comfort and control, perfect for remote or ladder work. For heavy-duty tasks, the corded 4.5-inch 7.5 amp angle grinder PC750AG reaches 10,000 RPM featuring a cast metal housing and soft grip handle for long-lasting performance. Both models provide quick, tool-free adjustments and reliable construction, making Porter-Cable a versatile choice for cutting, grinding, and finishing projects on any job site. BellaDimora Cordless Jigsaw. The BellaDimora Cordless Jigsaw is a versatile and budget-friendly power tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. Compatible with popular 20-volt or 21-volt battery platforms like DeWalt and Makita, it delivers precision cutting with variable speed control and adjustable orbital action. The tool allows bevel cuts up to 45 degrees and features a keyless, tool-free blade change system for quick swaps. An integrated LED work light improves visibility, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. With the ability to cut wood, metal, and more, this jigsaw offers flexibility, safety, and efficiency in one compact package.